Tonight is quiet. The day is finished. Your body is resting. Your mind can relax. Take a slow breath in. Now breathe out slowly. Again, breathe in gently. Breathe out softly. Good. Now listen to this calm English story. There is nothing you must do. Just listen. Your mind will learn naturally. Your body can rest. Jack is sitting near a window. Outside, the city is calm. The sky is dark blue. Small lights shine from buildings. Cars move slowly on the street. Some people are walking home. Jack holds a warm cup of tea. The tea smells soft and sweet. He takes a slow sip. The warmth feels relaxing. After a long day, quiet moments feel good. Jack likes evenings like this. Peaceful evenings help the mind rest. Jack looks at the sky. He sees a few bright stars. The night feels gentle. The air feels cool. Everything moves slowly. Slow moments are important. Life often moves very fast, but the evening reminds people to slow down. Jack takes another sip of tea. He breathes in slowly. Then he breathes out slowly. This simple action feels calming. Breathing slowly relaxes the body. Breathing slowly relaxes the mind. Outside, the night has many small sounds. A car passes quietly. Leaves move in the wind. Somewhere far away, a dog barks. Then the street becomes quiet again. The city is never completely silent, but the sounds are soft now. Soft sounds help people relax. Jack closes his eyes for a moment. He listens carefully. He hears the gentle wind. The wind moves the trees slowly. Leaves touch each other softly. It sounds peaceful. Jack enjoys simple sounds. Many people forget to listen, but listening helps the mind slow down. The world feels calmer when we listen. After finishing his tea, Jack stands up. He decides to take a short walk. Night walks feel different from day walks. The streets are quiet. The air feels fresh. Jack walks slowly down the street. Street lights glow softly. Their light creates small circles on the ground. Jack steps into one circle of light, then another, then another. His footsteps sound soft on the road. Step, step, step. Walking slowly helps the body relax. Each step feels steady. Each breath feels calm. Jack sits quietly. His thoughts move slowly. During the day, his mind is busy. Many tasks, many conversations, many decisions. But at night, the mind can rest. Nighttime is a time for reflection. Jack thinks about his day. He remembers small moments, a friendly conversation, a simple smile, a problem solved. Small moments create a good day. Life is not only big events. Life is many small experiences. Sometimes people worry too much, but quiet moments remind people to relax. Jack takes another slow breath. Breathing feels calm. Breathing feels easy. A gentle breeze moves through the park. The air touches Jack's face softly. It feels cool and refreshing. The leaves above him move slowly. They whisper quietly. Nature has its own language. The wind speaks softly. The trees respond gently. Jack listens to this peaceful conversation. It feels like the earth is breathing. Slow, steady, calm. Moments like this help people reconnect with the world. Modern life can feel loud, but nature remains calm. Jack appreciates this quiet beauty. Suddenly, Jack notices movement nearby. A small cat walks slowly across the path. The cat moves carefully. Its eyes shine under the streetlight. The cat stops. It looks at Jack. For a moment, they both stay still. Then the cat walks closer, very slowly, very gently. Jack smiles. Animals often sense calm energy. The cat sits beside the bench. It curls its tail around its body. Jack watches quietly. The cat looks comfortable. It closes its eyes. Even animals enjoy peaceful nights. Jack feels happy. Simple moments bring quiet joy. After some time, Jack stands up. The night is becoming cooler. It is time to return home. The walk back feels peaceful. The street is even quieter now. Most people are sleeping. Windows are dark. The world feels calm. Jack walks slowly, step by step, breath by breath. Soon he reaches his apartment building. He enters quietly. Inside, the hallway is silent. Jack walks to his room. He turns on a soft light. The room feels warm and comfortable. Jack changes into comfortable clothes. He washes his face. The cool water feels refreshing. Then he brushes his teeth. Small night routines help prepare the body for rest. Jack turns off the bright lights. Now only a soft lamp remains. The room feels calm and peaceful. Jack sits on the bed. He stretches his arms slowly. Stretching relaxes the muscles. After a long day, the body appreciates rest. Jack lies down. The bed feels soft. The blanket feels warm. He closes his eyes. Now Jack focuses on his breathing. Slow breath in. Slow breath out. Again, breath in, breath out. His body feels heavier. His muscles relax. His shoulders relax. His face relaxes. His thoughts slow down. The mind becomes quiet. Sleep begins slowly. The body knows how to rest. Rest is natural. Rest is healthy. Sleep helps the brain recover. Sleep helps the body heal. Jack continues breathing slowly. Each breath feels deeper. Each breath feels calmer. The night continues quietly. Outside, the stars shine softly. The wind moves gently. The world sleeps peacefully. Inside the room, Jack is resting. His breathing is calm. His mind is quiet. His body is relaxed. The night protects this peaceful moment. And you can rest too. Take one more slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Let your body relax. Let your mind rest. Good night. Sleep well. Your English learning continues quietly while you sleep.